SHANTUI Group, as the world's largest manufacturer of bulldozers, has a history of more than 40 years. In the aspects of products R&D, manufacture and after-sales can be customized to meet any customer need. SHANTUI has a complete product series, and SHANTUI's complete line of dozers can be customized to meet any customer need. SHANTUI brand products have been sold to more than 150 countries and regions around the world. The J-Series and K-Series hydrostatic bulldozers and the hydraulic SD32DQ Plus dozer are SHANTUI Group's latest launched products. Their outstanding features of maturity and stability, excellent power, and efficient performance are the ideal equipment in your job. K-Series. SHANTUI K-Series bulldozers are a new generation of high-performance, fully hydraulic earth movers. On the basis of inheriting all advantages of J-Series, K-Series bulldozers adopt powerful and efficient Tier 4F engines, providing more power, being more environmental. The SHANTUI DH13K is equipped with EPA Tier 4F engine that integrates turbocharging, direct fuel injection, air-to-air intercooling, and so on, for improving maximum superior power and fuel economy. The DH13K can meet EPA Tier 4 final EU Stage 4 emission standard, featuring low noise operation, optimum power, economy, and durability. The DH13K has multiple operation modes. Standard mode, delivering a balance of power and operational control. Power mode, providing a boost power to meet heavier loads and higher job demands. Economical mode, allowing the engine to work at lower speed and thus drastically reducing fuel consumption. Engine speed can be increased when extra power is needed. Two economical modes, backward only and forward backward, can save 5 to 20% fuel. Bulldozing auxiliary level system. The optional auxiliary leveling system on the DH13K helps the operator quickly to reach to targeted slope and targeted angle of incline with less rework to precisely finish the work, and thus improving leveling productivity and reducing rework. Gradient and angle of incline of the blade can be displayed on the LCD monitor in real time, helping the operator to more precisely finish work on the ground or the slope. SD32DQ Plus. The SD32DQ is a hydraulic transmission dozer developed based on customer experience with more than 1,000 SHANTUI bulldozers over decades. The SD32DQ excels in sandy soil and rocky conditions. On projects such as cutting excavation, road embankment construction, foundation backfilling, removal of obstacles, and site leveling and other time-consuming and heavy-loaded conditions. It also works well in short-distance applications such as material shoveling, transportation, and piling. The chassis and transmission of the SD32DQ are designed based on SHANTUI's mature products, tested by more than 1,000 SHANTUI bulldozers in the market of the past decades, guaranteeing the stability and reliability, driven by a Cummins Tier 3 Stage 3A engine. The SD32DQ not only can meet the EPA Tier 3 EU Stage 3A emission standard, but also has been through strictly power match and experimental test, featuring outstanding power, fuel economy, and durability. Equipped with heavy-duty 610mm wide lubricated tracks, the SD32DQ prolongs its track service life. Thickened track shoes excel in hard materials such as rock and coal. Outfitted with a high-capacity semi-U shovel, the SD32DQ Plus is designed to move large volumes of material. Optimum curvature of the arc-shaped plate provides 12 cubic meter blade capacity, effective soil turnover, and high cutting force. With single or triple tines, the ripper effectively breaks up material and extends productivity of the dozer. Proportional pilot control delivers effortless adjustment of the shovel blade and ripper, making for easy changes to lifting, tilting, penetration angle, and loosening depth. SHANTUI is driven by a spirit of innovation with its focus on science and technology. SHANTUI creates intelligent, world-class products that build the future.